In this short video, I want to address one particular problem that you guys in the office and administration will probably face more than anyone else. And that's the problem of sharing a document with so many staff, but still trying to protect it so that other people don't change it by accident or even intentionally think that they're helping you out when really you don't want them making certain changes. Now, if you were sharing a document from your personal Google Drive, this would be easy. You would click the Share button, and you could individually customize, person by person, who could view it and who could edit it. But as we use Team Drive more and more, which we will talk more about Team Drive in Activity 3, this becomes a problem. Because what you need to keep in mind is that the moment you drop a document into Team Drive so that all of our staff can see it, they can also edit it. Every single person that logs into their Google account could edit your document, and you probably don't want them doing that. So here are the tricks for making sure that doesn't happen. We're looking at my grade sheet here, and I've got my students and my teacher, and we've got a couple of grades put in there, and I want teachers to be able to come along and add stuff later. But let's say for the moment, I don't want teachers to add anything. I don't want anyone to add anything except for me. I will enter all the grades. So I want to protect this sheet that I'm sharing with the world so that only I can edit it. So I'm going to come right down to my tab down here where it says Sheet 1. I'm going to click on the little arrow and I'm going to say Protect Sheet. And you'll see right here, it's underlined that the sheet is being protected, and I'm going to enter a description and I'm going to say Restrict Edit to me. Now I'm going to set my permissions, and it asks, do you really want to restrict it so that it's only you? If I wanted a couple of us doing it, I could select custom and put in a couple of email addresses, but I really want it to just be me. So I can say done, and now everybody can still see my document, but they can't edit it, even though it's in Team Drive. So that's one way to protect your entire sheet. But now I'm going to delete that protection so that we can look at another alternative. Because the other option is to protect just a certain range within that sheet. Let's say I do want the teachers to be able to come in here and enter a new student's name if a new student moves into their classroom. And I want them to be able to put in the grades as they give tests throughout the year. But I don't want them to change anything in column M. I've got formulas there that's going to average all the grades, and if they click there and start typing, they will overwrite my formulas. So I can't protect the whole sheet. I just need to protect that column. So what do? I highlight that column, I come up to my data, and I say Protected Sheets and Ranges. Now sheet is not underlined, but range is underlined. And I'm going to restrict edit to average column, set the permissions so that only I can do that. Now everybody can see it. All the teachers can come along and add information, but if they click in the average column, they won't be able to make any changes. So protecting sheets and protecting ranges, that's how you can effectively share through Team Drive without allowing anyone else to make inadvertent changes to your Google Sheet.